Demystifying relative pronouns. Who, whom, whose, which, and that. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our series on intermediate English grammar. Today, we're going to tackle an important topic that can help you boost your writing and speaking skills: relative pronouns. These are the little words like who, whom, whose, which, and that can help you combine sentences and make your English sound more fluent and natural. Let's dive in. Relative pronouns are words that introduce relative clauses. These clauses give extra information about something or someone without starting a new sentence. Our main relative pronouns are who, whom, whose, which, and that. Who and whom are used to refer to people. Who is used as the subject of a verb, and whom is used as the object of a verb or preposition. For example, the man who is standing there is my uncle. Here, who is the subject of is standing. The woman whom I admire is a successful entrepreneur. Here, whom is the object of admire. Whose is a possessive relative pronoun. It's used to show that something belongs to someone. For instance, this is the boy whose kite got stuck in the tree. Here, whose shows that the kite belongs to the boy. Which and that are used for things, and sometimes for animals. Which is used for non-defining relative clauses, extra information, and that for defining relative clauses, essential information. For example, this is the book that I need for my course. Here, that gives essential information about the book. My laptop, which is on the table, is brand new. Here, which gives extra information about the laptop. And that's a wrap on relative pronouns. By using who, whom, whose, which, and that correctly, you can express complex ideas more fluidly and naturally. Remember, practice is key when mastering these relative pronouns. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using them like a pro. We hope this video has been helpful. See you in our next session where we will continue our journey of mastering the English language.